In the heart of British courtrooms, those iconic white wigs are more than just a quirky fashion statement. They trace back to the 17th century, symbolizing the authority and dignity of the law. Originally, wigs were a sign of status, worn by the elite to showcase their power. Over time, they became a tradition in the legal system, representing impartiality and the weight of justice. So, while they may seem outdated, those wigs carry centuries of history, reminding us that the law is not just about rules, it's about respect, tradition, and the enduring quest for justice. Wigs, those elaborate hairpieces we often associate with judges and the aristocracy, have a fascinating history that dates back to the late 1600s. It was King Charles II of England who truly popularized them, embracing the fashion as a way to mask his thinning hair and project an image of grandeur. This trend quickly spread through the courts and society, becoming a symbol of status and sophistication. By the early 1700s, wigs had made their way into the legal system, with judges donning them as a mark of authority and impartiality. The powdered wig, in particular, became synonymous with justice, representing the wisdom and dignity of the law. Even today, the sight of a judge in a wig evokes a sense of tradition and respect, a reminder of the enduring legacy of this once controversial fashion statement. So, next time you see a judge in their wig, remember, it's not just a quirky costume, but a symbol steeped in history and authority. Wigs in the courtroom, what a debate. On one side, you have those who argue that these traditional garments are relics of the past, making the legal system feel intimidating and inaccessible. They believe it's time to modernize, to strip away the pomp and embrace a more relatable approach. On the other hand, defenders of the wig claim it symbolizes the seriousness of the law, a nod to history that commands respect. They argue that these wigs remind us of the gravity of justice, a visual cue that we're in a place where lives can change. So, what do you think? Are we clinging to outdated traditions, or are we honoring a legacy that deserves to be preserved? As the gavel falls and the courtroom empties, the judge removes the wig, a symbol steeped in tradition. This isn't just an accessory, it's a crown of justice, representing centuries of legal history. Each strand tells a story of fairness, authority, and the weight of responsibility. Love it or laugh at it, this wig connects us to a legacy of law that has shaped our society. It's a reminder that justice, like the wig, is both serious and, at times, a bit absurd. In this moment, we see the human side of the law, where tradition meets the everyday reality of justice served.